Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to show your last seen to everyone on WhatsApp using the PC app. WhatsApp recently rolled out a new update that makes managing your privacy settings even easier. If you've been wondering how to make your last seen visible to all your contacts or to everyone at once, this quick guide will walk you through the steps clearly and simply. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. You can use the desktop app or the web version, whichever you prefer. Once the app loads, make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Next, look down in the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open the settings menu where you can manage your account details, notifications, and most importantly, your privacy. Inside the settings menu, click on the option labeled Privacy. This is where all your privacy controls are located, including who can see your personal info, your profile photo, and your last seen activity. Once you're in the privacy section, click on Last Seen and Online. This is the area that lets you decide exactly who can view your last seen status. From here, you'll notice several options like My Contacts Accept, and Everyone. To make your last seen visible to everyone, simply select Everyone. After you choose this option, WhatsApp will automatically apply the change. There's no need to restart the app. Your new setting takes effect right away. That's it. You've successfully adjusted your last seen settings so everyone can see when you were last active on WhatsApp. It only takes a few clicks, but it's a great way to make your account more open and accessible for friends, family, or business contacts who rely on knowing when you're online. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to like the video and share it with others who might need the same quick walkthrough. Thanks for watching.